My name is Michael Bolinske. I'm one of the DWI and criminal defense attorneys here at Bolinske and Bolinske. At Bolinske and Bolinske, we've handled hundreds of DWI and criminal law cases successfully. I'm positive if you contact us, we can handle your case in a similarly successful manner. Contact me at 952-294-0144. One of the biggest common mistakes I see individuals making in a criminal law case or a criminal investigation is that they attempt to explain away their actions to the police. They meet with the police begin asking them questions, and rather than exercising their right to silence, they begin to talk. Through that interaction, they actually cause themselves more damage because the police gain more evidence. I strongly discourage you from speaking with the police. The only thing you have to tell the police is your basic identifying information and that you would like to speak with an attorney. Even in those cases where individuals have spoken with the police, many of those statements can be suppressed. Only through hiring an experienced criminal law attorney can those statements be suppressed. Without that, it's a guarantee that those statements will be used against you in the court of law. The second mistake I see people making in criminal law cases is once they've been charged, they attempt to represent themselves. There's an old saying that says, he who represents themselves has a fool for a client. That saying is absolutely true. Trying to represent yourself is a huge mistake. Keep in mind, the prosecutor represents the citizens of the state of Minnesota. Their job is to convict you if they have probable cause to do so. Very, very rarely will an individual representing themselves obtain an acquittal in a case. The problem that many individuals face when they're representing themselves is the prosecutor will offer them a plea deal, and the individual will have no idea what is an appropriate plea deal given the facts of the case. The factors that individual will have no idea about are what evidence will actually come in at trial that will prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the individual committed the crime, what kind of mitigating factors exist that would tend to explain away an individual's actions, and what kind of criminal history score the individual has that the prosecutor is using to base this plea deal on. Without that information, an individual is simply lost at sea and is relying solely on the person that is charged with convicting you. Don't make that mistake. I encourage you to contact one of the attorneys at Bolinske and Bolinske. We'll set up a free initial consultation. We'll be able to discuss the facts of your case and how they apply to the law, and discuss the appropriate settlement or trial method to resolve your case. Contact me at 952-294-0144 for a free initial consultation.